if you are new, welcome. If you're old, welcome right back to another video. And today's video is a hair video. I am on the time limit. We got about 30 minutes. Finna do a hairstyle with y'all. I haven't did a hairstyle in a while. Not only that, as y'all can see, my hair is growing. I have been using basket lather. At first, I didn't really see a difference, but now that I'm actually looking at my hair, I do. I need to get my ends clipped. But I ain't finna do this look that I seen on TikTok. So basically, like a recreate. What you will need is rubber bands and a half wig. That's all you need is rubber bands and a half wig. I really feel like I should part a little extra. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go a little to the back a little more. And I should have did this morning, but I honestly forgot all about this hairstyle. You can take the back and put it in a ponytail or braid it down, it's up to you. I'm gonna put mine in a ponytail for now, just to get it out the way. Okay, now I got all this sectioned off. Part our edges out. I want the extra dramatic fluffed look. We are gonna take our comb. I will be using this for my parts. This could be a quick hairdo. You don't gotta really take your time. Cause I'm literally I'm about to rush it. Okay, I got me a part down the middle. Then I got me a part right here. I wanna do 3, so we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna put this in the rubber band. Same thing on the other side. We're gonna part this. Take the gel or whatever you wanna use. I know I look crazy. Put it on the hair. In a rubber band. Take a little bit more gel. Put it on this one. But this time, we're gonna take all the hair together. Okay, y'all, so this is what it look like. We're gonna do 3, and then the one after that, we're gonna do 4.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you.
I did it. That's what the front looking like. I put 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 2 braids in the back. Real simple. This is my half wig that I'm using. It is Indian curl. I just brushed it out. I will be putting wine curls in this. This is a 22-inch. I wish I had one that was a 16 to where it would have been more shorter. But this is all we got to work with. I do have another one. My half wigs are from Elfin hair, as y'all can see, very full. I had this one for about 2 years. I had this for like a year. They're not going on 2. I just got this one recently. But yeah, this Indian curl and this is Burmese curl. I'm about to put this one on. And y'all, with these, you literally just clamp it in. It got a drawstring in the back. Alright, that's in. That's in. And then this one is in. It's just 3. Take these 2 combs well, two things. You could put them together. I like to tie them together. Then you could take the drawstring, as y'all can see, and tighten the wig onto your head. And that's it. The wig is on, it is secured. Now I'm about to blend my hair in with the wig and curl it up, if that makes sense. Okay, y'all, so I put a couple curls in my hair. This is what it's looking like. I'm about to get a brush. I wish I had a wig brush, but I don't have a wig brush, so we're gonna have to use a regular brush. I am drinking me a margarita. It's 12:20. I need to be out the house by 1. Taking my brush and I'm just gonna like tease the hair. Like, do y'all see what I mean? Like. Taking as many flat irons and I'm curling my edges. And I want these to be fluffy, so we will be using spray instead of an edge control. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. This is what my hair turned out like. Real cute, real simple. Real simple, real cute. As I mentioned, this half wig is from Elfin. I was gonna put a few more curls in it, but I gotta go out the door. And I'm gonna come back later anyways and do my makeup and get dressed. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 7K on the road to 10K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Definitely cutesy, very easy, a little bit of heat. And also, if you haven't watched my videos, sis, what are you doing?